1. Bullet camera, characterized by its long, cylindrical shape that resembles an oversized rifle shell. This is one of the most visible security devices in the world. It is specifically designed to point directly at a single, specific area, such as a long hallway or a property fence line, sending a very clear warning that the area is being monitored. Because there is no protective dome, it can often accommodate a much larger lens, allowing it to capture highly detailed footage over incredibly long distances. 2. PTZ Camera, standing for pan, tilt, and zoom. This complex mechanical device acts more like a robotic eye than a static camera. A security guard sitting in a control room can use a joystick to manually rotate the lens left and right, point it up and down, or zoom in closely on a suspicious license plate hundreds of feet away. You will almost exclusively find these expensive units mounted high on poles in large stadium parking lots, or active construction sites where an operator needs to monitor a massive area. 3. Doorbell camera. This compact modern invention completely revolutionized home security by combining a standard front porch button with a tiny, high-definition digital lens. It connects directly to your home wireless network, instantly sending a live video feed to your smartphone the exact moment someone steps onto your porch. It features a built-in microphone and speaker, allowing homeowners to speak directly to delivery drivers or scare away potential intruders without ever having to unlock their front door. 4. Infrared camera. When the sun goes down, traditional lenses become completely useless, which is why this specialized camera is surrounded by a ring of tiny red light-emitting diodes. These diodes flood the surrounding area with infrared light, which is completely invisible to the naked human eye, but easily picked up by the camera's internal sensor. This clever technology allows the device to record crystal clear, black and white video in absolute pitch black darkness, making it essential for overnight outdoor security. 5. Hidden camera, often referred to as a spy camera. This device is intentionally engineered to be as small and unnoticeable as possible to record people without their knowledge. It is routinely disguised as an everyday household object, such as a smoke detector, a digital alarm clock, or even a USB wall charger. While they are sometimes used legitimately by parents to monitor babysitters, their completely invisible nature makes them highly controversial and heavily regulated by strict privacy laws. 6. Wireless IP camera. Moving away from heavy physical video cables, this modern device relies entirely on your local internet connection to transmit its video footage. Instead of recording to a massive, expensive computer server sitting in a back room, it instantly uploads the digital video feed straight to a remote cloud storage facility. Because they only require a single power cord to operate, business owners can easily install them anywhere in a building without having to tear open the walls to run new wires.